Yeah, they ain't got a license.
No, I just have them on me.
Listen.
Can I go? Can I call Uber? I can go home and get them, babe. I mean, sir, Your Honor.
Today, we're inside Judge Simpson's courtroom, and things get entertaining fast. The defendant shows up proud, saying she finally got her license. Great news, right? Except, she didn't actually bring it with her. Strike one, but the real moment came when she accidentally called Judge Simpson babe. Yep, you heard that right. Even the judge had to hold back from turning the gavel into a laugh track. The irony is golden. Most defendants struggle to show respect, but this one went the opposite direction and overshot straight into flirting. And remember, in court, even a slip of the tongue becomes part of the official record forever, so what do you think? Just nerves? Or was she really trying to charm her way past the law? Let's roll the clip.
Right, Miss Burnett does have a valid license. She doesn't have it on.
Now,
hold on. You come up here. I got a valid license. I don't know.
Yeah,
I got to check
the whole
myself.
permit to everything.
Hold on.
She did say she got it about 2 days ago.
Yeah, but I was so geeked to come to court. I thought I had my wallet, everything in my purse, but I don't. But I do have my license. They are legal.
Hold it. You came to court. You don't have your license? Did you drive?
I'm not a good liar, so yes, sir, I did. But I'm legal though.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear that.
Okay, you did.
Nobody heard that.
You didn't. Y'all didn't hear that.
Oh, that guy back there did. No, I'm kidding. All right.
Stop playing, because I know him. No, but I'm legal though, for real.
Yeah, no. Just, who'd you bring with you?
My daughter and my son-in-law.
Do they have licenses?
No.
Oh.
Oh, we can Uber this home and get them and come back.
No.
But I was not going to miss Kurt.
Go get your license. Just, that's why you went through this whole thing.
I know, so but see, they told me I was supposed to come at 9 and I came, and then they told me I had to come back at 12.
And neither time did you have your license with you?
Yeah, the first time I did.
Oh, okay.
And I thought everything was in, I was excited.
You were excited about what?
Showing you my L's, and I ain't even got them.
You were all excited to show your license and you forgot it. It's a shame.
It's the truth.
You believe right? No, and nobody knows.
I promise you. I already seen you, so I already know you can't be playing with you.
What does that mean?
Because I'm just not from here. So this is my first time. So I was really excited, damn. I can't even be
the license might drop. Yeah, they ain't got a license.
How do you forget your license when the entire case is about your license? That's like walking into a job interview without pants. Technically possible, but you're definitely not landing the offer. And yet, here she is in front of Judge Simpson, and instead of fire and brimstone, they're laughing like two old friends. Honestly, it's wild. Courtrooms are supposed to be serious, but this one had full-on sitcom energy. Usually, missing documents are a direct challenge to a judge's patience. I've seen people get hit with contempt for less. But Simpson cracked, and when a judge cracks, the whole courtroom follows. Judges set the tone. If they laugh, everyone laughs. Now, that might look harmless here, but it can actually be risky. Cases have been overturned before when judges seemed too cozy with defendants. It's rare, but it happens. Still, it does make the justice system feel a little more human, which isn't a bad thing, so what do you think? Was this harmless courtroom comedy, or a cringy moment that crossed the line?
No, I just have them on me.
Listen.
Can I call Uber? I can go home and get them, babe. I mean, sir, Your Honor.
Maybe I go home and get them.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
I take no offense. I've been called a whole lot of things.
But I promise you.
Not a bad thing. My book. Listen, I have your driving record. So I already know you have a valid license. So why did I say that? Because you wouldn't stop talking. You just kept talking.
Well, I got 9 children, so
you just kept talking, and I didn't have time to get it in.
I'm really excited though.
Me too. She got a license. So, you live over in Ipsy?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I gotta stay out of there because she driving. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen. All right.
So they say I drive like Miss Daisy, so I ain't even worried about it.
Okay. What are we doing?
No, Your Honor.
I know we all forgot.
We are here for a purpose, I guess. She does have a valid license, so she would like to accept the prosecutor's offer to plead or to admit responsibility of double parking today.
Your Honor, I move that count 2 double parking. If you accept the admission, move to dismiss the misdemeanor.
Burnett, she gonna blow this. She gonna mess us up. Just concentrate, focus. All right. So we can try to get through this. Do you admit responsibility that on November 4th, 2024, at the location of Ellsworth Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
Next Friday.
Next Friday? You can
Yes,
get
sir.
it done by the 28th?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. All right, I'm going to give it to February 28th, 2025. All right, pay it by then. You take care, and when you're out there driving now legally, drive safely, please.
Okay, thank you.
Judge Simpson literally said, "I've been called a lot of things, and baby is not a bad thing in my book." And honestly, that's one of the wildest lines I've ever heard come out of a courtroom. Normally when you show up to court, you're bracing for the hammer to drop, not for the judge to sound like he just walked off the set of a rom-com. But here's the thing, when judges show a little humor, it can actually make people respect the process more. The law feels less like a cold machine and more like something human. Judges do have the discretion to show personality, as long as it doesn't cross into bias, and that's a razor-thin tightrope. So here's the big question. Should we want more judges who humanize the bench, or does that risk turning court into stand-up comedy? Either way, this was one of those rare cases where justice was balanced with laughter instead of punishment. And honestly, it was refreshing to see. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your take in the comments. Was this a win for humanity or a step too far?